Hey guys, remember when we were little sirens?
Yes.
Huh?
You weren't, of course. You don't remember. You are 1 year old.
Actually, turning too soon.
Bro, do you think I care?
We were so little, but those 3D22 sirens were the worst.
No, not you.
Oh.
Luckily, Akakaka P50 was born.
Oh my god, I'm not a kakakaka. And I was just built, I didn't know what I was doing.
But you defended us.
Brew, what?
Let me tell you.
Hi. Hello. What's your name again? Oh my god, why does everyone ask me this? It's EOS 612, you dummy. Hey, don't call me that, you wart. What's a wart? I don't know. But you were just born 2 years ago. I know something is wrong with me. I'm still a little siren. Yay, usually you aren't when you turn 1.
That's because you are weird.
What?
Not you, the trumpet head.
Stop calling me that.
Not you, trumpet head 1. I am talking to trumpet head 2, also known as Thunderbolt.
You stupid little wart, I'm not a trumpet head.
Honestly, you are.
Okay, true, but
what? Give up, man. You will never become a great siren like us.
leave us alone, you son of a...
Shut up, you idiot. Look at you. You look hideous.
No, I'm not.
Oh, yes, you are. 6 sirens isn't enough.
So what do you know about me? All of those sirens you have got dirt on it anyways.
What kind?
The ones that have your papa's dirt on.
Oh, whoa, she be taking some classes, yo.
Yo, Kenny.
Yeah?
Wait, your name is Kenny?
You are such an idiot. Because our species is common, we need nicknames because all of our names are the same.
What?
You are never going to learn. Anyway, you heard of that new siren?
Oh yeah, he's my cousin.
Shut up.
Hey, wait a second, EOS 612, you are 1 and still a little siren. Hey, don't blame it on me, we are strange.
100% true.
Oh, they just finished building the siren.
Hi P50, it's me, your cousin. Welcome to the world.
What the? Oh my god.
Did he just rotate us? Oh my god, what happened to my voice?
Holy smokes.
Go.
Aki, let's get out of here now.
Agreed.
Hey you.
Huh.
Thanks.
I'm not a little siren no more.
You yell welcome.
Do the song again.
Yai. Okay.
Best song ever made.
Again.
Yes.
Oh my god.
I wish I was a little siren. Again.
Same.
Oh my god, Hurricane 130 statue.
Hey, cuz.
Yes.
Huh?
No, I mean, what is it?
I just said hi.
Oh my god, oh my geez, bro, it's been forever.
Hey, I remember you.
Hi.
That's it, just hi?
Okay, I missed you too.
Yes, I got it working.
What working?
This.
Oh my god, stay away.
Relax. She's a nice one.
Okay, good.
No, she's not. She's a dark side of the humankind.
What? Relax. He does this to every new siren.
No, I do not. Stop that, you little bit.